ecosystem deserves to be a huge priority. It's not about what to do, how to do, or who to do. It's about what we can do as an individual. We need to act now, implementing the 5 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, and repurpose. Let's replant and go green with immense pride and joy. Let us have a glance of small yet effective steps taken by our children towards restoring our nature.
Namaste. A pleasant good morning to one and all. I am Manishma Venu. As you all know that we are locked inside the house due to the second rise of COVID-19, so we must be safe inside our house. Today 5th June is considered as World Environment Day. As you all know that we humans are connected with the environment. Environment means the condition in which we live and work. But today we humans have created a situation in which our environment is in a terrible situation, like increasing pollution, water scarcity, and also the loss of biodiversity, etc. According to the estimate, every year 10 billion trees are being cut all over the world and 10,000 species are being extinct every year. If we talk about the current situation, 1 million species are on the verge of extinct and 844 million people are living without pure drinking water. So 5th June is considered as World Environment Day to create awareness among people. Every year, World Environment Day is celebrated on a particular theme. So this year, World Environment Day is celebrated on a theme called Restoration of Ecosystem. What is restoration of ecosystem? It means assisting in the recovery of ecosystem that has been destroyed every year. So nature is created by God, and to take care of it, God has created like humans like us. So it's our duty to protect the environment. We need to plant more and more trees, try to recycle the household items, and use limiter of water so that we can save our environment. Last but not least, I would like to conclude that let us join together our hands and make our environment better. Coming generation know the importance of plants, nature, animals, etc. Be a part of solution, not a part of pollution. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
I'm Silta Babu from class 8B. Dear teachers and my dear friends, I hope you all know June 5th is celebrated as World Environment Day. Save plants, give water to plants, they will save you. Don't use plastic, put inside the dustbin. We all live in the house of the earth whose roof is environment. We should care of these two because our life will be healthy and safe only when the earth will be green and the environment will become clean. The environment and life are the same, so do not waste it, love it. If it's about raising global awareness of our environment, we have to protect natural water and the environment. Once again, I wish you all happy Environment Day. Thank you. Namaste, my name is Anamaya. Today I am going to show you how to restore ecosystem and how I did ecosystem restoration. I use plastic sacks to grow vegetable plants at home. We grow grass in our courtyard so rainwater can go inside the ground. I collected waste bottles from my backyard and grown plants in it. This is my 10 o'clock flower garden. From these plants we get good morning vibe and fresh air. These plants are very beautiful to see when they are flowering. I cut the bottle top and I grow beans in this cup. This is my chili plant growing in a waste plastic sack. This is my water plant pond. I used old plastic bottles to grow 10 o'clock flower. We can grow plants in waste plastic cups, bottles and waste plastic covers and in waste plastic sack. Your life is in your hand. Plant more trees.
Hey ma'am, I am Navyashi. I am from 7C. This is my project. These four things are the factory. In the first one, there is a lake which is in dark brown, and some garbages are thrown in the river. And from the factory, smoke is coming out. The second picture, the factory is there, but no smoke is coming. The water is light brown in color, and there are some little sun stains. The third picture, there is a factory. There is no smoke. This is a light. This is light brown mixed with blue, and there is a grass over here. In the fourth picture, there is a factory. There is no smoke. There are fishes near. There is a rabbit over here. The lake is blue in color. There are grasses around it, and there is a rose in one of the grasses. Thank you.
small steps make big changes. As you all know, June 5th, World Environment Day. We all live in the house of the earth and those who is environment. We should take care of these two because our life will be safe and healthy only when the earth is green and the environment will become clean. Since the Environment Day began in the year of 1974, then onwards over 100 countries started celebrating the World Environment Day at June 5th. There are biotic and abiotic components in our environment. Biotic means living organism and abiotic means non-living organism. There must be a balanced nature cycle that exists between the environment and the lives of human beings, plants and animals. Our needs for food, water, air, shelter and other things depend on environment around us. Save the earth and the environment. Keep the earth calm, clean, quiet and greenery as it is. Save the earth, save the environment, save yourself. At last but not least, do not destroy the scenery by the greenery. Dhanyawad. Have a nice day.
हाँ.
Namaste, I'm Srinivas. As we celebrate World Environment Day on 5th of June, let us take a little moment to look various ways to make our environment better. We all know that ecosystem is a biological community that live in and interact with each other in the physical environment. As the environment has been destroyed and damaged in many ways, we are in need to restore the ecosystem. Just to make a balanced and safe environment, we have to focus more on restoration of ecosystem. And that is why ecosystem restoration is so vital for us to survive. Restoration of ecosystem can be defined as practice of renewing and restoring balanced ecosystems and habitats in the environment by active human interventions and actions. There are various types of restoration of ecosystems. I can mention some of them for you. Farmland restoration, forest restoration, freshwater restoration, ocean and coastal restoration, grassland restoration, etc. Methods of restoration of ecosystems includes a wide scope of projects for the restoration of ecosystems such as erosion control, removal of non-native species, reintroduction of native species, revegetation, daylighting streams, habitat and range improvement for targeted species, etc. The restoration of ecosystem is so vital because of these reasons. It will improve the biological diversity, it increases the availability of environmental goods and services, it also helps to enhance landscape connectivity, it will increase the population and distribution of rare or threatened species. So my dear friends, restoration of ecosystem will finally contribute to the improvement of human and animal well-being, to improve biodiversity conservation, ecosystem productivity and human livelihoods. Let's work towards restoration of ecosystem. Thank you.
ഒരു നൂൽ ഞരമ്പുപോൽ നീ നീളെ നീളെ പാടിപ്പതിഞ്ഞതാമോർമകളിൽ നിറയെ തുടി കൊട്ടി മഴ തെറ്റി തെളി നീരുവറ്റി ചടുല താപത്തിൻ്റെ മരുഭൂമി ചുറ്റി പകലിരവിലിടവഴിയിലൂടെ ഈ പ്രാണനും തേടി നീ താണ്ടുവതേതു ദൂരം. തിന്നുന്നു നിന്നെ വിശാല ലോകം, വിത്തെടുത്തുണ്ണുവാൻ പോന്ന കഷ്ടകാലം. ചുണ്ടുകൊണ്ടും ചൂണ്ടുവിരലുകൊണ്ടും യന്ത്രതന്ത്രങ്ങളെല്ലാം കവർന്നേ